My dear students, now we want to discuss the problem of exercise 5.1 of NCERT books, and we want to discuss problem number 2. Examine the continuity of the function of fx is equal to 2x square minus 1 at x is equal to 3. So first of all, we have to check the continuity of the function at x is equal to 3. What is function? Function is 2x square minus 1. What will the value of function at the point 3? It will be 17. So first step we will take by determining the value of the function at that point. Now, the value of the function exists. Now we find right hand side limit. Limit x tends to 3 plus fx is equal to limit x tends to 3 plus 2x square minus 1. Now, limit h tends to 0, where h is any positive value. So put instead of x 3 plus h. So it will be 2 into 3 plus h whole square minus 1. And it will be 2 into 3 square minus 1. That is 18 minus 1, that is 17. So, right hand side limit is 17. Now, what about left hand side limit? Limit x tends to 3 minus fx is equal to limit x tends to 3 minus 2x square minus 1. So now we want to find left hand side limit. So we put instead of x 3 minus h. I have already told you when we come to the point, any point, considering the value less than that point, this is known as limit left hand side limit. So here, students, now I want to find left hand side limit. So now we come to the point 3 by taking the value of 3, value of variable less than 3. Then what do we observe? We observe that here we put x is equal to 3 minus h, where h is any positive number. So after simplifying, we will get 17. So what do we observe here? We observe here the right hand side limit is equal to left hand side limit is equal to value of the function at the point 3. So fx is continuous at x is equal to 3. Most important point to solve this type of problem is how will you represent, how will you write. So without knowing the way of expressing, way of solving the problem of continuity, you can't get 100% marks, 100% marks. So you must note the steps which I have already explained you. Now see problem number 5. Is the function f defined by fx is equal to x if x less than 1 and fx is equal to 5 if, try to read it, x greater than equal to 1. So the value of x is equal to 1 is equal to 5 and the value of x greater than 1 is equal to 5. And the value of x less than 1 is equal to, value of x is equal to x if x less than 1. So for verifying the function is continuous at x is equal to 1, we take this branch fx is equal to x for left hand side limit. And for right hand side limit, we take fx is equal to 5. And the value of x is equal to, of course, it is 5 at the point 5. So in this way, you can find, you can check, you can verify the continuity of the function at x is equal to 0, x is equal to 1, x is equal to 2. My dear students, in this problem there are 3 problems. This is a combination of 3 problems. So you must observe the steps which I have here discussed in these problems. Now, we want to check the continuity at the point x is equal to 0. So the value of the function at the point 0 x less than 1. Fx is equal to x, f0 is equal to 0. Now, value of the function greater than 0. Greater than 0. This will be limit x tends to 0 plus x. Put the value of x is equal to 0 plus x. So what do we observe? We observe that the value of right hand side limit is also 0. What about the left hand side limit? So the value of function is x for left hand side limit, and we put the value of x is equal to 0 minus h at the point 0. So it will be 0. So hence f is continuous at x is equal to 0. So my dear students, you must know how will you solve the problem. First you find the value of the function at that point. Then find right hand side limit or left hand side limit. It is depend upon your choice. So it is what? Right hand side limit. The value of right hand side limit of the function at the point 0. And this is value of the left hand side limit of the function at the point x is equal to 0. Hence f is continuous at x is equal to 0. Now my dear student, we want to check the continuity of the function at x is equal to 1. So what will be the value of the function at x is equal to 1? Clearly it is 5. So now here 5. Now I want to find the right hand side limit at the point 5. So the value of the function right hand side limit at fx is equal to 5 is 5. So what do you observe? Also, the value of the function at less than 5. So it will be, what do you observe? We observe that the value of the function at less than 1 is x. So it will be 1 minus h. Limit h tends to 0 is equal to 1. So what do you observe? The value of the function at x is equal to 1 is 5. And the right hand side limit is also 5. But left hand side limit at less than 1 is 1. So what do you observe? Function is not continuous at x is equal to 1. Now, for continuity at x is equal to 2, we have the value of the function x greater than 1, that is 2 is at 5. And for right hand side limit at 2 is also 5. And left hand side limit at 2 is also 5. So what do you observe? The value of the right hand side limit, value of left hand side limit, and value of the function all are 5. So f is continuous at x is equal to 2. So in this way we will solve the problem. Thank you. Thank you very much.